These are giving. It's the Locs for me. It's definitely the Locs for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Marisa. If you are a part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a review and install on these beautiful locks that were sent to me from Toyotress. So if you guys want to see, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this, and then I will show you guys how I install them, and I will show you also how I style these as well too. So shout out to Toyotress for sending these over. I have the butterfly locks. They are in the color 1B and they are 10 inches. Girl, these cute little locks are giving. Like, they are giving. This is so cute for the summer. Like, they're giving. So I have worked with, well no, I have purchased from Toyotress before. I actually purchased their 30-inch passion twist. I will try to leave a link somewhere, a card either in the video or a link down below in the description box. The last time I tried them, the passion twists were super light. They were easy to install and they lasted me for a while. This is my second time trying out butterfly locks, and when I tell you, these right here are so easy to install. They are not heavy on my head. They are super light. And they are so freaking cute. Like, I didn't think I was gonna really like 10 inches, but this is so cute. And as hot as it is here in Georgia, I mean, it is getting up to like 100 and something degrees every day. I needed something really cute, something that was not a whole lot of damaging to my natural hair. I have just some regular straight back braids. You always see that in the video, but I really like these. Thank you so much to Toyotress for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much. Even though this is a sponsored video, I'm going to be straight up 110 to 120 to 1000% honest with you all when I tell you guys how I really like these locks. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So yeah, as always, if you guys have any questions or anything, leave that down below, and yeah, stay tuned. All right, so here I am with some straight back braids. Honestly, these things are like 2 weeks old, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work like we always do. And I'm going to oil my scalp with my Mael rosemary mint oil. This is everything. Now I'm going to try to lay down my edges. And I know some of you are like, how can you install these with a ponytail in the back? I am going to show you, sis. Like, just wait. Just hang tight with me. All right, and here how they come. It's 7 packs and a crochet needle. These locks are so pretty. Look how much room you have to open them up. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put the needle in going downward, pull it through, and pull the lock through that hole. And what I like to do first is go across my hairline first, and then just kind of start at the back and come back up to the front. I do have 10 braids going across, so this is how it looks so far. And what I'm doing back here, since I have that ponytail, I'm actually going to take the locks and I'm going to go around my ponytail in the back. And girl, my crochet needle that they sent me broke. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness I had an additional one on standby. I would have been so devastated if it would not have worked. And with the Locs, although you get 7 packs, you get 10 in each pack. I end up using pretty much all 7 packs. Now, when I start coming upwards, I literally go the width of a finger. And I know y'all kind of can see my ponytail, but just hold tight with me. We are gonna make it work. And honestly, this style can last you a while. You can do the cornrows where you skip the lines. I just decided to do it this way. And also, this install took me like an hour to do. Girl, where's that ponytail? Don't see it. So I'm showing you how I style it. So you can do the middle part. We can go over to the side. And if you feel like you want some more, you can add those locks in. This style right here is my absolute favorite style. A half a pab down and my 2 bangs in the front. Super cute. And if you want to just jazz it up a little bit, let's do us a top knot. I give these locks a 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend. Thank you all so much for watching as always. And until next time, bye.